guys, today we're going to be opening up these Mega Girls minis. And there are four of them. There, one, two, three, four. There are four of them. And there's five, it says there's five surprises. I don't know. There's five surprises in their series too. Okay, and I think this one's the one that I have to aim for. Or whatever it's called. Well, let's see which one of these four should I open up. Okay, I think I want to open up this one. Okay, I hope I get the Nutella gift. Okay, here we go. It's really hard to open it. What kind of stuff? Yeah, here you go. We opened it up. Here's our, well, we kind of opened it up though. I have to open it up more. There is more. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, it does come. Wait a minute. What? It says Chucky eats me. Chucky's me. It's funny. And so here we go. Our slime. So this is just poop slime, I guess it's called. And it has worms with it. So, okay, let's get it out. Ooh. Here this goes. Look, it has worms. That's gross. But okay. Here is a slime. It's kind of sticky. It's sticky. Okay, put it here. Then wait for these ones. Okay, and here it is. The menu that we can get. Well, there's only four, so we can get. We cannot get all of them. I can get the Pepsi, but it's not called Pepsi. It's called Poopsie. That's funny. What? Doggo. What? Okay. I don't know. I don't know what it says. But right here, this one. And I can get the Skittles, which is called. I don't know that. And I can get. Yeah. I cannot see this. I don't know what it is. Comment down below what it is and tell me, because I don't not know what it was. So this is a taco, and this is like, I don't know how to say. It's like a, I don't know, but I'll just call it a thing. It's that and slime. I know that's prime. It's prime slime, and this one is prime too. and it still says slime. And wait, I was going down. But it this and ice cream and what's that? I think it's I don't know. I got a phone. Um, it's a Minecraft, but it's different. So I like Elf on the Shelf. And what is that? What? Oh, it's cat food. And this is I don't know. Yeah, that's all. Oh, and here are there's more. Okay, there's all of them. So there's the glow in the dark, and all of these. Hope you see it. Yeah, those are all that I can get. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it's a bag. Oh, okay. So anyways, I wanna open this up because it's different, I guess. Okay, what is this? We got Nutella, which is called Patella. This is funny. Ew, I never knew I would get that. It's kind of, that's disgusting. Fast food factory. Daddy disgusting. Okay, anyways, let's open up the other ones. There's one. And then you have more stuff. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but we got this elf one. This elf one. And Smelf on the Shelf. Called Smelf on the Shelf. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you did. Well, it's called Elf on the Smelf on the Shelf. That's funny. What? He's on the toilet. Okay, he's on the toilet. Bruh. Okay, so first we got the patella and the mouth on the shelf. Okay, and then I'll show them all to you. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, next one, here we go. Ooh, ooh. Ew. I got this one. Disgusting, it's like milk with a fat on it, and it has a large tail. Wait, I don't know what it is. Ice cream. It's ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. It was vanilla ice cream until this fat little rat came here with worms. That's why it's called mega nasty food. Mega gross nasty. Mega gross mini. Okay, now we're gonna be opening this little one. I am not sure what. Oh, it's a magnifying glass. It's a magnifying it's a little magnifying glass. I can't really see on it, but you can like kind of see like in this, but you can't really see it. Well, Here we go in the collection. Okay, and we're done with our first ball. And now to the second ball. I'm going to I'm going to I'm going to open it in 3, 2, 1, and we opened it. Yay! Okay, now it's time to actually open it and see what's inside. I am kind of excited. I am actually excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I got the Magister Potato Monster Drink. Got Magister Monster Drink sticker. We put it with that, and of course, our slime and a menu. Here's the slime again. Oh, what? Okay, here it is. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, gonna open this. Ugh. This is kind of the most ghost thing. Is okay. There's nothing else. Okay, it goes with the other one. We're gonna be making big slime, guys. Okay, now to back to the important thing. Here, this other one the magnifying glass, and this. And I am actually going to open them up all at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Guys, we got this one, which is this one is like a baby diaper, and it has a baby diaper with poop on it. Well, a lot of poop on it, and with some bugs. Oh my god, this is disgusting. No, this is a popsicle. This is a popsicle. It's called poop. It's called popsicle. Yeah, we always gotta say ew. Okay, now it's time for. No, it's not time for any. Well, this one, guys, I'm sorry for not saying which one I wanted, but this one is the one that I got. This one's the one that I wanted. I really wanted this one, and it's called I Poo. Which is the I Poo. That's this ghost playing. And we got this King Kids Kinder Surprise, whatever it's called, wherever it was called. And this looks like murder. I don't know about you, but like you got order and everything, and it's like the heart. It's bad. Don't like it. Okay, then put them all where I put the other ones. I like this one. I don't know why, but I think this one is disgusting. But there. I'll check if I missed one. No. Okay. We're good, guys. And the magnifying glass. Where's the other one? It's okay. We actually just need one. Okay. Now up to the next one. now, actually, I'm gonna actually say what I wanted. Okay, I want this one, the Minecraft one, obviously, yeah. And this phone, this iPhone, and I guess both of these prime one, mm, mosquitoes, and Pepsi, and um, I'll be glad to get one of these because they supposedly glow in the dark. And I already got those, and I these two. Uh, oh yeah, and this one is just funny. Ew, this is disgusting. Mm, oh look, oh boy, and I actually want this one, the LOL, which is called another one, and I want, oh, absolutely this one, and I think this one, because I already have those two, and those were the ones that I want. Please have at least one of them. It's okay if it's the one that I don't want, and if there's something I'm not going to get mad. You know what? Let's do magic. I'm gonna open this and you'll only see the white thing in 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, here it is. Now it's time to open it and we will get again the slime. Okay, how many did we open? Oh, two. Okay, so let's open the third one. Of course, I slime. Um, and our menu, I don't know if it is called a menu or, okay, what is this? What is this? Okay, weird. Where is it? It's time to open it and please, I want the ones that I wanted. Okay, it's actually time to open it. I actually hope I don't get the same ones. So now I'm gonna open this one. Boom, guys. This one. Wait, did he say that I wanted it? I don't know. But I actually do. I think I can get it out. Yeah. No, never mind. It has to. I don't want to ruin it. So it's gonna stay in this little box forever. Yeah. Okay. Gonna put it in my collection. So far I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna win this one. And the slime. Sorry. The slime. And again, it's gross. Here. There's not. Oh, three together. Okay, now it's time for the other ones. What did I say? I said other ones up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yay, guys! I did want to display it to expect a mouth with some teeth and a little bit of Skittles, but I did get the Skittles, yeah. Okay, first, I did get the Skittles with some cheese and a muffin and the wrapper and vomit with a little Skittles. It's a lot to there in our collection. Okay, okay, last one. I hope it is. Hmm. I hope it. No. Oh, okay. We got deodorant. We got deodorant. I didn't know that it was in. Was it? The deodorant. Yeah. No. Hmm. Don't see it. Oh yeah, it was right here. Why? I didn't know that it was gonna be deodorant. Guys, we got deodorant. Oh, I wanted it. I wanted it. Stop those pimples. I think it is pimples. Anyway, into our collection, dear gum. Okay. Oh yeah, magnifying glass. Mm-hmm. Ugh, this is too long. I wish there was different magnifying glasses, but now they're all the same. Okay, gonna put it with the other one, magnifying glass, and oh my god, guys, the last one, the last one. Sorry, I was too excited. Okay, and this time no more tricks, no more. Let's just open it up. Oh, okay, got the first one out. Now I'm gonna get this second one out. Oh, yay. Okay, good, guys and girls. Okay, now we have our last one. I hope I get the ones that I said. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do tricks right now. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. I am going to open up this one. Wait, I don't know what happened. What happened? What happened? Okay. I got the mini force, or what it was called. No, mini playlist. This. Oh, yay! Got the monster! Got the monster! Oh, oh, hey, monster fell. Mm, go and again. Slime. Open it up. Not right now though. Uh, um, we got the sticker. And oh my god, I hope it's something else. Oh my god. Oh my god, the prime slime! I think it's the prime slime! Oh my god. Ew, it's a little pimple. Sorry. I wanted to explode it, but I can't do that. Yes, yeah, you got it. And it's disgusting. Sadly, guys, we didn't get the the rest that I wanted, and I'll show you the ones that I got absolutely like I promised in the in the in the beginning. And now open my slime again for the fourth time now. Okay, for the fourth time. I open this up with little ones. It looks like poo. And I put it right here in my collection of slime. But it's not a collection, but it's a play. I'm gonna play with this all day. Okay, I am going to show you all of the ones that I got. Got the. I hope you'll see it. I got the prime slime, um the monster, the main bar, the the whirlwind, the